Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you can see, um, here are some of my plans kasi lumipat na ako ng bahay and I'm planning na kunin yung mga bahay, rather kunin yung mga plants dun sa kabilang bahay para isama ko dito. So here are some of them and ang dami-dami pang kailangan gawin sa kanila. Kailangan natin silang linisan kasi ang dami ng dry leaves and some are even overwatered. So bibigyan ko kayo ng update. Start muna tayo dito. Etong rack binigay sa akin ng lola ko para paglagyan ko ng plants ko. And dito sa amin kasi third floor ito. So probably nakakakuha sila ng morning sun for 3 hours from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. And may harang na kasi dito sa taas. And guys, look at the view here sa taas. Yan. Maganda rin dito kasi mahangin siya. So hindi na tayo mamamroblema sa humidity. Kaso ang kalaban lang natin is fungus. So look at this guys. Nagkaroon siya ng na overwatered siya, so we'll work on that. And ito may bloom na siya. Ito maganda, ayos naman siya. Ito si bluebird, nagkakaroon din siya ng overwatered leaves. And Psyche, and some of them, I think this is Maria, I don't know, and Zorro. This is Rubidona. Yan, may Rubidona din ako dito. Ito is type of Polydensis, I think. And this is Moonstone. Yan. So, syempre meron din tayo dito sa baba. And hindi ko pa nai-repot yung iba guys. Kasi I think hindi na siya kailangang i-repot. Kasi hindi naman na siya nauulanan dito. And ito guys, pinagmahayan siya ng ants. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyan. And our Amazing Grace. Yan. Amazing Grace ulit na dalawa. And our Lola. And dito naman sa second table, we have our 5 heads Murasaki. Yan. Ang ganda niya dito guys. Hiyang na hiyang sila dito. Ang kalaban ko lang dito is yung mga birds. And we also have this Echeveria with Purple Delight. And Orion, Monroe. I don't know the idea of this one. I think this is Brown Rose. Also this, I don't know the ID. Ito nagkakaroon siya ng overwatered leaves. Kasi before ko sila pinunta dito guys, naulanan sila for almost a month. Yan. 1 month silang nauulanan. So, ganun talaga. Mag-overwatered sila. And we have here our Fleur Blanc and Cream Tea. Nagkaroon din siya ng overwatered leaves. Yan. We'll work on that soon and we'll make a video about that. Meron din tayong Lola ulit dito. And this is Echeveria na madaming dry leaves. Also this apple champagne, dalawa yan. And we have our Moonstone, our Polydensis, and we have our Rumbra, I think Rumbra. Yan, Rumbra and Solomon. And we have here a bigger size na apple champagne. I know, I think it's apple champagne and clavatum, blue beans na tinira ng daga. And we have here our tapalpa. Yan, looking great. We also have here our Tinkerbell. Yan. So, dito naman tayo. I don't know the exact idea of this one pero I think it comes from the family of Agavoides. And itong nagre-recover natin na Big Amabil. So, kita nyo naman guys yung damage ng rain. Ito is family din ng Polydensis, I think. Polydonis or Pelidensis. And we have this one, the big plant. Look, it's kind of big. And the OG Clavatum. Goods naman siya sa akin guys, hindi naman siya mahihirap na alagaan. And we have here Murasaki again. 2 heads, Murasaki. And we have here our variegated Tinkerbell na nagre-recover na. And look guys, ang dami niyang babies sa baba. Let's remove the dry leaves so you can see the babies. You know? And we have here our Echeveria agovoides ebony that's starting to color up. Kita nyo ba guys? Nagko-color pink na yung leaves niya. And we have this clump na Echeveria. I don't know the exact idea of this one. And this as well, na-stay siya in the shade for a week and kaganyan na siya. And ngayon nagre-recover na rin siya. And this big Echeveria as well. And I think this is butterfly. Look at the babies guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here and the little one. So that would be the update of these vlogs, and kukuha pa ako ng mga plants sa isang bahay para ilagay ko dito para hindi na ako pabalik-balik na alagaan sila doon. So that would be all. See you sa next vlog.